How to install 5mm luxury vinyl planks. Here are the tools you'll need to install luxury vinyl planks. All the materials you'll need are vinyl 5mm luxury planks and underlayment. You'll need 10% more square feet than the room size. Step 1. Remove the existing floorings and moldings. Place the flooring materials in the installation room for at least 72 hours prior to installing them and need to acclimate to the temperature and humidity ranges. Step 2. Install an underlayment. Step 3. Set the first plank in place on the starting line next to the wall, maintaining the expansion gap. Place the spacers between the floor and the walls after you install the first row. Begin laying planks working from left to right, inserting the tongue side into the groove side at an approximate 45-degree angle until the planks lock together. The last row of planks may need to be cut lengthwise to obtain the proper width. Measure, cut, and glue the baseboards and shoe molding to the walls as needed. Always read and refer to the manufacturer's instructions of your specific vinyl floor. Find a variety of options at your local Floor & Decor or at flooranddecor.com. This flooring can be floated over an existing clean, flat, dry, and well-bonded tile, vinyl, and hardwood flooring. You can use excess cut pieces to start rows if the pieces are at least 6 inches long. Floor & Decor vinyl planks are easy to install and can spruce up any room it's put in.